Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making this white and rose gold glam pumpkin. So I saw something similar to this at Target and it was about $22, and so I wanted to see what I could make this for. It cost me $4 total because I already own some of the crafting supplies, and if you're a crafter you probably do too. So the supplies you're going to need to create this project are one of these foam pumpkins, just a few of the fake leaves from Dollar Tree, some white spray paint, some rose gold spray paint. You're also going to need one of these tea light glass votives from Dollar Tree, some push pins, and some paper clips. If you don't own the paper clips and the rose gold, or you can't find them, it's okay. You can spray paint the ones they have. They have some very similar to this, and you can just spray paint them. So I just spray painted my pumpkin with the white, and I did do 2 coats, and then I used the rose gold spray paint to spray the votive, and this only took 1 coat. So while those were drying, I set those aside, and I spray painted a few leaves to use on top of the pumpkin. Those are optional. You don't have to do that, but I did want to use some leaves at the top to embellish my pumpkin here a little bit. So then all I do is I take my rose gold push pins, and I'm going to use 5 for each row. There are 10 rows or grooves in this pumpkin all the way around. So I'm going to use 5 of these push pins. I just go from the circle at the top that's already there. You can kind of see it, and I use that as my guide of where to start. And then I just do 5 of these push pins down, and I go all the way around the pumpkin. Once that's finished, I just took these paper clips and I took 2 of them and I opened them up just a little bit, and then I pushed them down in next to the stem because this is hollow, so it's real easy to get it down inside. So I just pushed it down in there, and these are my little vines coming off the side of the pumpkin, and I used 2 of these. Now if you can't find these curly paper clips, they also sell some of that crafting wire in similar colors. You could use that and just twirl these up around a pencil or something. It would work just the same. So once I do both of these, I stick them in the top, and those become my little vines at the top. And then I decided to go ahead and take some of these leaves that I also spray painted now that they're dry, and I just hot glue those to the top of this pumpkin. Now in the steps here, I do forget to paint the stem. I just used a little bit of rose gold paint that I had in a little bottle from Walmart, and I painted the stem just because it just blended in too much. It didn't really stand out, so I thought the rose gold stem looked better, and I just did a real light coat. You can actually still see the white through it a little bit, so you don't see it in here, but it is in the finished project. So next what I do is I just take the paper clips and I open the back up a little bit, leaving the curly Q on there, and I poke it through the pumpkin. So it was a little bit difficult to push through, so what I decided to do is just take my scissors and poke it through right underneath of the last push pin, and then that allowed me to be easily able to shove the push pin right through the pumpkin. And I didn't use hot glue or anything. I just put them in like this, and they stayed perfectly. And I love the way that this looks. So like I said, if you can't find these paper clips, Dollar Tree does still carry them, but I know some people have difficulties finding these items sometimes, so they do sell the crafting wire, or you can go to like Hobby Lobby and they sell decorative paper clips and things like that that you might be able to find for a pretty good price. And don't forget to use your online 40% off coupon. So also then all you have to do is use your hot glue and glue the pumpkin onto your candle votive here, and that's it. It is finished. I was thinking about putting some leaves here at the bottom, and I kind of played with that idea around for a little bit, and I didn't really like it, so I just left it as is. So I hope you guys like this project. Like I said, the one at Target was around $22, and I created this whole project for $4 because I owned a lot of the stuff already. If you're a crafter, like I said, you probably already own some of the supplies, so it's going to be very inexpensive for you to make, and nothing's more fun than saving some money. That's all for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.